Friends, guys, we're starting market updates. Green day today in the market, green week today in the market. The market is pumping to higher prices. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the crypto market, new stories happening in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has rallied above $31,000. Ethereum has also pumped above $2,000. Where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Guys, altcoins are getting ready to get sent to the moon. The altcoin season index is telling us right now we might be seeing huge pumps in the altcoin market in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the crypto world. Bitcoin price sparks above $31,000 as Ethereum gain sparks Altseason calls. Bitcoin and Ethereum leads a wave of excitement over future crypto gains, with analysis concluding that the bottom is in. On this channel, we have been shouting that the bottom is in for a very long time. We have seen Bitcoin rally from as low as $15,000. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $31,000. It has been a very rough bear market. It has been a very boring bear market. We spent more than 3 weeks just going sideways, sometimes dumping to gobbling town. But right now, Bitcoin is almost 100% up to the upside. We started the year on a very bright note. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $31,000. Can Bitcoin continue pumping to higher prices? If you take a look at Bitcoin's moving averages on a daily time frame, Bitcoin's 100-day moving average is currently at $23,955. We might see Bitcoin at some point in time dropping that low, and guys, that can happen very quickly. If you take a look at Bitcoin 200-week moving average, as we're pumping to the upside, let's always remember Bitcoin is always attracted to this moving average, and that moving average sits at $21,000 right now. And for the 300-day moving average, it sits for Bitcoin around that $21,000. And we know at some point in time in the future we're going to see a pullback. So let's not get carried away. Even though we are seeing altcoins and Bitcoin pumping on all time frames, we're seeing huge pumps in the altcoin market. If we take a look at other things happening in the cryptocurrency world, UK formed Bitcoin policy org to boost BTC education and adoption. A Bitcoin-only policy organization in the United Kingdom seeks to steer a course for greater levels of Bitcoin adoption. That's good to see. Guys, we're still going to see another bull market. Right now, we're in that early phases where people are still asking themselves, is the bottom in? Is the bottom not in? I strongly believe the bottom is in. We believe the bottom was in since June of 2022. Even though Bitcoin went lower, we still saw Bitcoin going to $15,000. We've been accumulating on this channel, and our average accumulation price is around that $17,000 region. Our model portfolio updates will be coming to that portfolio. But let's take a look at our model portfolio. Our portfolio has gotten up to as high as $167,000. We'll be having a breakdown of the portfolio in coming videos in the coming days. If you take a look at liquidations in the market, in the last 24 hours, a lot of traders have been liquidated. More than 71,000 traders were liquidated, and the total liquidation in the last 24 hours has totaled more than $273 million. Shout out to Tempo of Mercury. Let's go 30K to the moon. I believe Bitcoin will continue pumping to higher prices. I believe 30K, we can still see Bitcoin maybe get to that $35,000. In the Bitcoin video I did 3 days ago, I told you guys, when we get to that $30,000 to $32,000 region, we might see Bitcoin just having a little resistance at that level. Bitcoin might even poke his head to that $32,400 region. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at the highest we have seen Bitcoin trade since June of 2022. So if we see the altcoin market rallying up, we might see more liquidations. Ethereum has accounted for more than $79 million worth of liquidations in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has accounted for more than $57 million, and we've seen greed return to the cryptocurrency market. Guys, we saw extreme greed in the market when Bitcoin was in $17,000. We saw extreme greed in the market where the crypto fear and greed index was even showing us a value of 9. Right now, it's showing us a value of 68. There's greed in the market, and I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, when we see all coins pumping to higher prices, extreme greed will finally return to the crypto market yet again. Because the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, is trading above $2,000. Ethereum right now is having a little nice retracement. Guys, we might see Ethereum in the coming days and the coming weeks get to as high as that $2,400 level using the Fibonacci retracement tool. If we see a retracement coming for Ethereum, the $2,400 region will be a very critical level to pay attention to. Also, we might see Ethereum get to as high as $2,800. We're welcoming David Benjamin. Hello, Benjamin. We hope Bitcoin will pump to the moon. I hope you're investing, getting ready for the future. Because if we see altcoins pumping to higher prices, guys, we might see a crazy bear market all season happening. A lot of people in the market are already calling for all season already, as Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is pumping, and the next thing we expect is altcoins to get sent to the moon. And some Ethereum news, Ethereum researcher says taking reveals IP address packing privacy concern. A researcher at Ethereum Foundation says he had internally discovered that staking Ethereum reveals a user IP address information. And if you take a look at the total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, sitting around $391 billion. We're expecting the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, to rally quickly above the $450 billion level we got to in August of 2022. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied above that August 2022 price. Bitcoin was trading around $25,000 in August of 2022, and we've seen Bitcoin blast above that level and continue pumping to higher prices. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, has finally blasted above that August 2022 price, where it tops around the $2,000 region. Ethereum has even rallied to as high as $2,100. So we see the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, pumping to higher prices. We might see all coins just getting a market cap of around $500 billion. From where we're currently trading right now, all coins will have to pump by more than 30% to the upside. IMF to publish CBDC's handbook in response to increasing demand for guidance. The handbook will be descriptive and informational, while the IMF offers advice tailored to specific prioritized country. If we take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, we're seeing altcoins pumping up and down. Injective is up 22%. Arbitrum, sleeping giant, was trading around the $1.13 level some few days ago. It's up more than 12% in the last 24 hours. We have Rocket Pool up 12%, OKB up 6%, and Loopstring up 6.48%. Conflux is in the loser section, is down 5% in the last 24 hours. Quant, Stacks, and EOS are also down in the last 24 hours. Our model portfolio is making some huge gains to the upside. We've seen our total profit get to as high as $62,000. We're making a detailed video in the coming days and the coming weeks. But Bitcoin derivative data shows bull positioning for further BTC price upside. Bitcoin price continues to show strength, and derivative data suggests that bulls intend to pump Bitcoin higher. Bitcoin might not be done with the pump. We might still see Bitcoin pumping aggressively to the upside in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Most of the bad news is behind us. We saw FTX collapse. We saw Silvergate. We saw a lot of issues happen in the bear market, 3AC liquidations. But right now, it's a breath of fresh air in the cryptocurrency market, as Bitcoin has probably started a new cycle. But the fact is that Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. And right now, sentiment in the market is kind of bullish. People are expecting Bitcoin to continue pumping to higher prices. Gemini files for pre-registration undertaking in Canada. All crypto exchanges are required to sign such undertaking if they want to operate in Canada following a February rule change. Guys, if you want any specialized altcoin review, you can drop your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be making those reviews at the end of the video. If you take a look at the crypto unicorn index, this index tells us how many altcoins or how many cryptocurrency projects have a market cap of over $1 billion. And right now, it's telling us we have 54 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. Arbitrum is pumping to higher prices. Arbitrum has gone to as high as $1.15. This article right here was telling us that Arbitrum has a lot of potentials to the upside. Arbitrum has more utility. Arbitrum has generated $2.5 million in profit in March of 2023. Arbitrum is capturing optimism market share. That's another reason why we might see it pumping to higher prices. And Arbitrum price is in a descending triangle, guys. The altcoin market is going to be getting sent, not just Arbitrum. We might just see other altcoins having huge pumps in the coming days and the coming weeks. You can see in the last 1 week, Arbitrum is up 25%. We have Render token up 29%. FTT token jumped up by 63% after we had news of the exchange possibly restarting. If we take a look at the total crypto market cap, we've gone into new highs in 2023. This is the highest total crypto market cap has gotten to since August of 2022. But right now, we're at a very crucial level. We might see the total crypto market cap taking the chill pill. We're currently around the $1.25 trillion level. In the coming days and the coming weeks, if the total crypto market cap continues pumping to higher prices, the $1.5 trillion level will be a very, very important level where we'll be paying attention to in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies market capitalization, Bitcoin is still currently trading above $30,000. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is up more than 8.3% in the last 1 week. Ethereum, the king of all coins, is finally outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum is up more than 11.69% in the last 1 week. Some other coins in the top 10 cryptocurrencies are having huge gains. Cardano ADA is pumping to higher prices. Cardano ADA has seen more than 12.6% increase in the last 7 days. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you think the altcoin market is going to in the coming weeks and the coming days? Do you see altcoins having a mini alt season? What are you buying right now? Tell me which altcoins you're holding. If we take a look at other news happening in the cryptocurrency market, Nigerian crypto payment startup shut down offers IP for sale. Nigerian crypto and Web3 company LaserPay shuts down after failing to raise funds and advises users to withdraw before April 30. Sorry, but now they are winding down. This Nigerian crypto and Web3 company LaserPay announced on April 13 that it's shutting down its operations. So if you have funds there, you might as well take out your money. The CEO is saying you have until April the 13th to take out your money. Guys, sorry, you have on April the 30th to take out your money. Take a look at, if you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, Bitcoin dominance has risen to as high as 48.82%. Bitcoin dominance was pumping to higher prices, which was actually bad news for altcoins. We have seen Bitcoin outperforming altcoins in the last 1 month, which has led Bitcoin dominance to go to the highest we have seen it trade since May of 2021. But in the coming days and the coming weeks, if we see Bitcoin dominance in the market dumping to lower prices, if we see Bitcoin dominance maybe heading back to like the 40% region, we might just see the altcoin market having one final altcoin push to the upside. The altcoin season index is telling us on a monthly time frame, altcoins are starting to show signs of life. We've been tracking the altcoin season index for a while right now on this channel, and we have seen it at the lowest we have seen it since November of 2020. And if you go back to see what the total crypto market cap was doing in November of 2020, guys, that was the best time to buy altcoins before altcoins started pumping aggressively to the upside. If you had followed the altcoin season index, you would have gotten more than an 800% pump to the upside on an average. So the altcoin season index is pretty important in this kind of things. So let's not be shocked to see the altcoin market pumping to higher prices in the coming days and in the coming weeks. San Francisco authorities make arrest in stabbing of Cash App's creator Bob Lee. Police Chief Bill Scott says there was evidence that the suspects and Bob Lee knew each other, but did not comment on the positive motive of attack. If you take a look at other news stories happening in the crypto world, London Stock Exchange Group may provide clearing services for BTC derivatives in Q4. London Clearing Stockhouse will team up with FCA regulatory GFA trading venue to create a centrally cleared regulated trading environment. Uniswap proposal to launch Polygon ZK EVM is set to pass. All 191 Uni token holders voted in favor of the proposal to launch the DEX on Polygon ZK EMV. If you take a look at the US dollar currency index, the US dollar currency index actually tells us where the dollar is heading to. If the dollar is dumping to Goblin Town, we realize it's always positive for the crypto market. We're seeing the dollar dumping right now. You probably get to the 100.394 region. If we see the dollar getting there, guys, we might see a pullback in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has been rallying since the start of the year. At some point in time, we're going to get some pullback. At some point in time, we might see us dump to Goblin Town. But right now, it's good news. We're pumping to higher prices. And Amazon launches new Bedrock AI service to take on Google and OpenAI. Financial Service Chair Mark Henry sends second request for record related to SBV arrest. And Uniswap launches iOS mobile wallet in selected countries. The centralized exchange has previously stated that Apple was not allowing the app to be listed on its Apple Store. All coins are pumping on a daily time frame. All coins are pumping on a monthly time frame. And guys, on a yearly time frame, we're still down in Goblin Town, even though we're still seeing some altcoins show signs of life. Remember, guys, we're still deep in the crypto bear market. Remember, guys, the bear market is where you want to accumulate, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. And US court summons to Tron Justin Sun threatens default judgment if no response. The summon was related to a civic lawsuit filed by SEC against Justin Sun and others over alleged offering and selling X tokens as unregistered crypto security assets. And Asia current gaming domination crucial for Web3 games. Asia is home to 1.7 billion gamers and contributes over $72 billion in annual gaming revenue, making it critical market according to DApp's radar. Where do you see the market heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? That's all the updates I have for you guys today. Drop your thoughts in the comment section if you have any question. Guys, do you see Bitcoin getting to as high as $35,000? Do you think the top is in for Bitcoin right now? Ethereum is trading above $2,000. How high do you see Ethereum going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Please can subscribe to this channel if you're new. If you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy.